Ever noticed your cat staring intently at seemingly nothing? Could they be seeing something we can't? Some believe cats possess a sixth sense, allowing them to perceive paranormal activity. Is it just preposterous or possibly true? Let's delve into the whisker-twitching world of feline ESP and spectral sightings. Prepare for a spooky journey. While science remains skeptical, anecdotes abound of cats reacting to unseen presences. Could these be ghosts? Perhaps cats are simply more sensitive to changes in electromagnetic fields. Or maybe, just maybe, they see ghosts. So, can cats sense ghosts? The answer remains a mystery, shrouded in fur and folklore. Spooky, right?